Alright, this is going to be one of our last nursery rhymes for this unit. It's called Little Miss Muffet. Alright, and Little Miss Muffet. And it goes like this. I'll read it to you first, and you can say it with me later. Little Miss Muffet sat on her tuffet, eating her curds and whey. Along came a spider who sat down beside her and scared poor Miss Muffet away. Alright, now I would like for you to read it along with me. It goes, Little Miss Muffet sat on her tuffet, eating her curds and whey. Along came a spider who sat down beside her and scared poor Miss Muffet away. Now let's try that again, and I'll try not to mess up the words. I'm sorry. So read it with me, okay? Little Miss Muffet sat on her tuffet, eating her curds and whey. Along came a spider who sat down beside her and scared poor Miss Muffet away. Alright, so now I'm going to say parts of the line. I want you to fill in the last word when I pause, okay? So I'll read it and you fill in the last word. Little Miss sat on her, eating her curds and whey. Along came a spider who sat down beside and scared poor Miss Muffet away. Very good. Alright. Now, again, like we did with Peas Porridge Hot and Hickory Dickory Dock, let's go ahead and have some fun with some of these. Let's turn Little Miss Muffet into Little Miss Fluffet. And just by adding those two letters, F-L, we have turned Little Miss Muffet into Little Miss Fluffet. And we can have her sit on her buffet. How's that sound? That sounds pretty funny. So let's go ahead and let's do it again. Let's read it. But this time it's going to be Little Miss Fluffet sat on her buffet. So Little Miss Fluffet sat on her buffet, eating her curds and whey. Along came a spider who sat down beside her and scared poor Miss Fluffet away. And that's kind of funny because I've always known this as Miss Muffet, but it's funny and fun just to change some words in there and turn them into silly words and say it to be fun. So I would encourage you to go ahead and do that with your family, and also come back and watch this anytime you need to.